Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today I will be reviewing the Unice hair. This is the headband wig. I was not sent this. I bought this with my own money. This is a Brazilian body wave hair. It is 18 inches and it came with a few headbands. This hair is so soft, you guys. Like, this hair is bomb. When I put it on, you'll see me put it on. I do not clip the front end sometimes just because I don't want the tension on my hair, but I clip the back of the wig and I secure it with the band. So now you see me taking my scarf off. I laid down my edges prior to this, and I will be putting on the wig. You see I'm brushing the hair. It's very soft, tangle free. I didn't get any shedding. This hair is bomb. Like, this is my go-to hair right now. This is good for any Zoom meeting, any conference calls, anything. Is so quick, so simple, and so easy. Now you see me put on this yellow headband that came with the wig. The next clip you'll see me put the polka dot one on as well. I love that one. It's super cute.